To all my Team Rest backers, thank you so much because I built my own MBR team. Like MBR is my initial name. That's why maybe this is luck for me, and I will be a good friend to you. That is surely, I will promise I will be a good friend. Thank you so much, and to all my members also, to all my super chatters, salamat po sa mga members ko po. Salamat nagpa-member sa akin. Thank you so much. Team Rest Backers is not for money. Like we are there to gather, like parang mag-work tayo for our own channel. This is not, hindi ibig sabihin na pag doon ka is you have to member the admins. No, that's not. Hindi. Unlike others, mag-member ka, magbayad ka para magkaroon ka ng slot. No, MBR team is free. It's free for everyone. We don't involve money. No. It's a big no. And I want to clear this for everyone. In the MBR team, there is no involved money. You can go inside to join if you want. This is free team. This is like we are only a happy team there. Hindi yung hindi yung nagbabasagan ng trip. Hindi. Like I want to be happy for everyone. Gusto ko maging happy tayong lahat, and maraming salamat guys. At sa bumubuo ng MBR team, Sir Drodog Gameplay, salamat. Sis Emmy Abay Marino, salamat. And Sis Contawi Linux, salamat. And to Team Rest Backers, thank you so much. To all the members, thank you so much guys. I know sometimes I'm straight to the point talking, pero hindi po ako yung kaibigan po ako. I'm a friend. And thank you so much because it's only more than a week. It's like wala pang 1 month, sabihin ko na lang kasi it's only a week and we are already in a good position. Salamat po, salamat talaga sa mga nagsimpatya at tumulong na ma-organize ang team na to. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you so much talaga. And wala na po akong masabi guys. Salamat po talaga. Wala na po akong masabi. This is a birthday gift for me to build this team. And thank you so much, and I hope we are happy. Yung mga yung Monday slot po natin, I want to clear this very carefully. Yung mga slot ng Monday, yung mga naka-line up doon, yung mga naka-line up na pangalan doon, sana po wag babaguhin ng admin. Hindi po porket nagpa-slot ang mga kaibigan natin at mayroon nang naka-line up, we will remove them without telling me. I want to clear this one guys. I want to be friend, but I want to clear the rule. I want to clear the rule. Wala pong babaguhin doon. Ang mga may karapatan magbago doon ang admin, but you have to ask permission for me. I want gusto ko po, respeto po sa akin yon as a builder. So gusto ko po kung may ipapasok po tayo, dadaan po sa akin, so I will know how to fix and solve kung ano po yung maibibigay sa kanya. I hope you will respect me on that. And gusto ko pong sabihin sa mga admin ko na we have to be like we have to treat them good as a friend, and wala po yung yung porke kaibigan is sila po yung ilalagay or something na ganun. Kung sino po yung nandyan, sino po yung nauna, sila na po talaga yon. At kung gusto nilang sumali at mag-extend tayo ng time and kaya nila, and we can do it, we can solve. So I hope guys, I hope to my admin na lahat ng decision, don't decide without me. Don't decide any decision without informing me. This I want to clear with you guys para maging okay po tayo. And I respect my admins. And thank you so much for your great works, great support for me. And basta nagtitiwala naman po ako sa inyo. Dahil later on, I will change my workplace. I will change my workplace and I will settle everything before I will be online and I will be normal. So I like, hindi ko maintindihan. dahil later on I will change my workplace, and I have to settle everything first there before I can focus on the group. But I talk to my admins to handle it very very carefully, this team. Since I fixed everything there, since I will fix everything, my situation there, I will be the one to drive everything. But I need the help of my admins also. I give them the rights also. So only decision, yung pag-uusapan lang ba, yung kailangan natin ng isang builder at yung kumbaga yung yung mag-spokesperson ba, ganun. Kailangan natin, bago tayo maggagawa ng isang bagay, kasi kailangan natin pag-isipan ng ilang paulit-ulit. Kagaya yung nangyari po sa akin. They kick me out without thinking. Meron din po akong mga kaibigan sa labas. Madami po akong matakbuhan. And salamat din na nangyari yon, guys. Salamat. I'm so very thankful na nangyari doon at nakaalis na ako doon. And this is the time that I make this team Respackers. And I'm very thankful. Baka until now nakiki-GC pa lang po ako. So I'm so thankful na tinanggal na din ako sa kabila, dahil maybe this is the time. Nagagawa din ako na makabuo din po ako ng sarili nating GC. Kasi hindi ko naman po mabibuild ito kung wala kayo. So, you are part of this. And I'm so thankful. And thank you to Sir Dro, dahil pinalakas po niya yung loob ko na bakit di daw ako gumawa ng sarili kong GC. Sabi ko, gagawa ako pero tulungan mo ako. Sabi ko, tulungan mo ako. Anuhin natin. Group, parang natin, sabi ko. So I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful kasi sa totoo lang, kaya ko din bumuo ng GC kasi madami din po akong mga kaibigan. Madami po akong kaibigan, alam niyo po yan, at alam niyo po kung sino kayo. You know who you are. All the friends in YT, you know who you are, that you are connected to me before. So thank you, salamat. And I just want to say na every decision you have to think 100 times. Think 100 times na maliit na YouTuber man, wag mong igaganon. Kaya bago tayo magdesisyon na makapanakit sa kapwa natin, dapat nag-iisip po tayo. Nag-iisip po tayo kahit gaano pa karami kang pera. Kung ganun naman ang treat mo sa mga kapwa mo YouTuber na maliliit, no one will like you, you know? No one will like you, and no one will stay for you, even though you build a group. No one will stay for you, and I will never do that to my team. I want to be friends with them. Kaibigan ko po sila. Medyo sometimes yung salita ko po ganito, pero I'm not that. Hindi po ako yung ayoko po yung nakakasakit po ako ng damdamin ng iba. Hindi po ako ganun. Parang straight lang po siguro akong magsalita sometimes, but I'm not like that. I know my limits, you know? Pwede po siguro akong kumontra sa mga opinions minsan, but hindi ibig sabihin po na kontra na po ako sa inyo, or I don't want you anymore. No, it's only about our like yung trabaho natin po sa loob. Yun lang po yung involved. But the friendship is, my heart is with you. Yung friendship po nasa inyo po, yung friendship po na yung pagkatao natin, nandyan po ako. But as a team leader po, yung sa trabaho, about the work, sometimes I have to object, or sometimes I have to adjourn. So I hope, guys, you understand me for that. And this is it, guys. This is it, and thank you so much for everyone. To my members, thank you. To my super chatters, thank you so much. To Sis Ayat Fatima, thank you so much for your support to my channel. Thank you so much. Kasi I don't know you, but you're so nice. You're so very kind person. Thank you so much, and thank you, Team Respacker. And i-clear ko po pala about the slot. Ang slot po ng Monday, kung hindi po kayo makagawa ng video, ninyo, pwede po kayong kumuha ng mga kaibigan ninyo na ipapasak po ninyo. So you can still own your slot. Para pag may video na po kayo, pwede kayong pumasok anytime. Huwag niyong bibitawan yung time slot ninyo, or else kasi marami pong nagpapareserve ng time. So So you must to do is to find other friend na papalit po sa slot ninyo, and then pag may video na kayo, di pwede kayo ulit bumalik. Ganon ang ibig kong sabihin sa slot, kasi ang fixed slot po is slot na po ninyo every run. Slot na po natin yan every run. Hindi na po mababago ang playlist unless na may mag-withdraw, and then we'll find another person to put on that empty time. So even also in Wednesday, and then because I'm building again another slot for Friday, and which is binubuo pa po ng team yung Friday slot. So pag mabuo po yung Friday slot, we can start. We will do premiere Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So pag mabuo po yung Friday slot, kasi may 15 members na po na nagpa-reserve ng slot nila. So they will, like, pag mabuo po, MWF na po tayo. Kaya kuha na po kayo ng slot ninyo for Friday, kasi ang Monday full na po at ang Wednesday full na din po. Kaya ang Friday binubuo pa lang po, which headed by Sis Contawi Linux, and yung pang Monday po ang naka-heading doon is si Sis Emmy Abay Marino, at saka yung sa Wednesday is si Sir Drodog Gameplay, at saka yung binubuong Friday is si Sis Contawi Linux. So ang ganito, hindi po ninyo kokontakin yung mga admin na ganito, pwede mo akong ilista, pwede mo akong ganyan, because all the decision is under my name. Sa akin pa din po ang magdedesisyon, hindi po nila gagalawin yung master list, kasi buo na po yun, buo. Hindi po nila gagalawin na yon, kasi buo na po yun. Kung may magpa-slot ulit, I will be the one to fix for everything. Gagawin po natin yan, but hindi po sila magdadagdag or magbabawas or mag-change name. Please admins, please listen, and hindi po kayo magbabawas, hindi po kayo magdadagdag, hindi po kayo mag-change name without my permission. I hope you guys, you respect me on this. Kasi I want to be fair with everyone. Baka po may tatanggalin po tayo at ipapasak po natin yung kaibigan natin, then which I won't allow that. Who are already on the slot, dapat hindi na po matatanggal. Dapat kung sino po yung nag-first come first serve slot, sila po yung may-ari nun. Unless po na mag-withdraw po sila, hanapan po natin ng ibang tao. Ganun po yun, guys. I hope you will respect my decision that everyone must to be transparent and tell to me. Never ever decide without telling me. I hope you guys, you will be like, sana maging ano po tayo, yung tapat po tayo sa isa't isa as a leader. Yun lang po, guys, and happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me, and thank you so much talaga sa mga team ko talaga na bumuo ng Team Resbackers. I'm so thankful. Salamat, maraming salamat. And this is it. This is my birthday gift ever. Nakabuo ng sariling team. Nakabuo po tayo ng sariling team natin, Team Resbackers. Magkakaroon po tayo dito ng peace, unity, walang madamot. Hindi ako magiging madamot sa mga oras na gusto nyo. Pero pag fix na at may mga tao na, hindi ko kayang ibigay, guys. Kung nagmamay-ari na, kung may nagmamay-ari na sa slot na yon, I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything but to adjust on the first or on the last. Ganun po, guys. And thank you so much, guys. Team Resbacker, fight, fight, fight. Bye-bye.